Hello everyone, myself Swayam Arora. I secured an AIR 828 in JEE Advanced and AIR 400 in JEE Mains.
Hi, myself Harsh Jain. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Delhi Technological University. I scored a percentile of 98.7 in first attempt of JEE Mains, and this was possible because of Disha classes and especially JB sir.
Disha classes, especially JB Gupta sir, helped me a lot during my preparation. They cleared all my concepts which helped me ace the examination. The study material assignments provided challenging yet problems which focused on JEE syllabus. The regular doubt solving sessions were held to tackle various issues. I recommend everyone to join Disha classes.
I am Yuvraj Tyagi. I scored 99 percentile in JEE Mains and currently I'm pursuing computer science engineering from NSUT. Joining Disha classes was one of the best decisions of my academic journey. The faculty there, especially JB sir, is very supportive, they are very knowledgeable, and they ensure that everybody gets personalized attention.
Hello, I'm Ashwin and I was a student at Disha classes for 2 years. And I gave JEE mains and my first attempt yielded in like 99 plus percentile, and this was made all possible by Disha classes, especially JV sir. He really involves himself with you, and the teachers are extremely good and actually just excellent at teaching you concepts and doubt solving. They make sure that every one of your doubts are cleared, and they don't just teach you but they also motivate you when you are down. JEE is a long journey of 2 years. You go through highs and lows, but Disha classes really helps you push through them.
My personal experience during the 2 years of course of preparation at Disha classes was great. Their method of teaching the module and especially the test series that were taken during the course of preparation are very much enough for the examination.
The doubt solving sessions are pretty great, they're very regular, and the study material is also very good. Overall, I think that anybody who is looking for academic excellence and great results should consider joining this institute.
And I'm grateful to them because of them I was able to push through JEE, and actually now I'm in triple IT and pursuing my passion for BTech and engineering. And I think Disha class is the right choice for JEE. You can never go wrong with the mentorship of the teachers at Disha classes, especially JV sir, and I sincerely thank them for all they have done. Thank you.
One thing that helped me during the examination was the doubt solving sessions which were taken regularly. Not only this, every faculty member, especially JB sir, paid attention to every single student, which not only helped them in building up academically but also boosted their confidence to give the examination. So in the end, I would like to thank all the faculty of Disha classes and JB sir to bring out such a great result.
Hello everyone, मेरा नाम हेमंत गुप्ता है and I have secured 99.39 percentile in JEE Mains. So इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं दिशा क्लासेस को थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ, और पहले मैं आपको अपनी जर्नी बताता हूँ जो मेरी दिशा क्लासेस के साथ रही है. सो फर्स्ट नाइन्थ में मैं टीचर्स के कॉन्टैक्ट में आया था. हमारे स्कूल में एक प्रोग्राम चल रहा था जिसके दौरान ये टीचर्स हमें पढ़ाने आए थे. दिशा क्लासेस की जो फैकल्टी है, तब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इनका पढ़ाना. तब इतना मेरे को अवेयरनेस नहीं था JEE या नीट के रिगार्डिंग. तो धीरे धीरे पता करा, कोशिश करी, तो मैंने मन बना लिया कि मैं इधर ही रहूँगा. तो 10th में मैंने 3 ईयर का प्रोग्राम दिशा क्लासेस में ज्वाइन किया. मैं किसी ब्रांड के पीछे नहीं गया, अपने पेरेंट्स को भी मैंने इंसिस्ट किया, और आई जॉइंड दिशा क्लासेस फॉर 10th, 11th and 12th.
Hi, my name is Manu Sharma. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Delhi Technological University. I got a percentile of 99.01 percentile in first attempt of JEE Mains, and all of this has been because of Disha classes and JB sir especially.
My name is Ilmadan and I'm currently a student at Delhi Technological University pursuing my BTech in Computer Science Engineering. Today I would like to share my experience with Disha classes, which helped me extremely in clearing my JEE exam as well as excelling in the school. I started my 11th back in and I was enrolled in the 2-year round program in Disha classes. स्टार्टिंग से फैकल्टी मेंबर्स ने कॉन्सेप्ट्स और डाउट्स दोनों पर ही काफ़ी ध्यान दिया था और काफ़ी सिस्टमैटिक वे में हमें प्रॉब्लम से डील करना सिखाया था. थ्रू आउट लर्निंग प्रोसेस ऐसा एक बार भी लगा कि मैं कोई चीज़ क्रैम कर रहा हूँ.
एंड मेरी जर्नी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल रही दिशा क्लासेस के साथ. मेरे 99.4 परसेंटाइल आए JEE मेंस में, एंड फिजिक्स में मेरे 95 मार्क्स आए आउट ऑफ 100. सो मैं JV सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ जो फिजिक्स पढ़ाते हैं दिशा क्लासेस में, और वो ऑलवेज सबको मोटिवेट करते हैं, और उनकी वजह से मेरे फिजिक्स में इतना अच्छा स्कोर भी आया है. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ था, वो भी बहुत सिंपल सा था, नहीं तो मेरे 100 आ जाते. सेम मिस्टेक हो गई थी. तो जेबी सर हमेशा आपको मोटिवेट करते हैं।
Difficulty, Mr. JB Gupta, who is also the HOD, was there with us at every point. इन 2 साल में काफ़ी सारे ups and downs थे, and there were times when I didn't had the confidence and I was actually doubting myself whether I will be able to clear my exam.
The material that they provide and the test series, the doubt solving sessions, they are basically pretty much apt. It can never be wrong from the faculty perspective. They basically ensure that you can never lack of any kind of concept, and they prepare you really well. And especially JB sir, he involves him personally with each and every student in order to ensure that you basically never mess up with any concept.
दिशा क्लासेस का जो मटेरियल है बहुत अच्छा है, टू द पॉइंट है, टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत अच्छी है, और सबसे अच्छी जो मेरे को 2 बातें लगती हैं, बहुत पर्सनल टच मिल जाता है यहाँ सारे स्टूडेंट्स को, फैकल्टी को। ये इंस्टीट्यूट इंश्योर करता है कि आपको सबको पर्सनल टच दिया जाए और सबके डाउट्स रिजोल्यूशन बहुत अच्छे से होता है, क्योंकि पर्सनल टच होता है तो सबके डाउट्स रिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं।
And JB sir really helped me in motivating during this time. And I think it wouldn't have been possible. I would have given up way long before it wasn't for him. And I think it was somewhere around 11th, midway 11th, when physics just became my favorite subject, and I'm among 3. I really started enjoying learning physics and doing its problem, and very soon I was able to solve some of the most complex problems too. And JB sir really helped me in pursuing this interest in physics. दिशा क्लास ने स्टार्टिंग से ही हमें एक काफ़ी इंट्यूटिव प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहा था, जहाँ पर हम ओपनली अपने डाउट्स पूछ सके और फैकल्टी के साथ डिस्कस कर सके. They created an environment of friendly competition as well as discussion, and in the end these out sessions proved out to be extremely fruitful.